Good morning, baby. I love you.
Miss me, baby?
Of course, baby. I start missing you as soon as I leave you.
Good. Rishi, I have to talk to you about something.
Yes, tell me, what's it?
You know, yesterday I think Rudra overreacted seeing the two of us hug.
I know. You know, he even scolded me later.
I know. The fault was mine. I'm so sorry, baby. Listen, if Rudra knew about us, then he wouldn't have reacted that way, right?
It's okay, baby. Don't worry.
It's not okay, baby. It's not okay. But I will make it okay.
How?
Tell everyone. Tell them all. It's time.
What?
It's really time, Rishi. To tell everyone about us. Tell your dad that you want to get married to me. And also that I'm 10 years older than you. Tell him my name. Only if he agrees. And if he doesn't agree, then forget me for good.
Impossible, Maya. I can forget anything else but not you. Till date, I have always avoided the topic of getting married. But now, I'm ready.
So am I. So am I. Baby, can you do me one more favor?
Whatever you ask for, baby.
So when you tell your family about me, I want to be there with you.
How will that happen, Maya?
Like this. I love you.
I love you.
Now go.
Dad, I wanted to have a word with you.
Good. Even I wanted to speak to you.
Mrityunjay! Mrityunjay, come here quickly!
What happened, Antara?
Mrityunjay?
You wanted me to become a permanent member of this family, right? Mission accomplished. This idiot has finally realized that he can't live without me. He proposed to me yesterday and obviously without wasting any time, I said yes.
MJ, I think without wasting any time, we should get them engaged next month, as there is no say in when your son will change his mind.
Why 1 month, Diya? Why not 1 week? Because I don't trust my Rudra at all.
Don't worry, Mom. I won't change my decision.
I trust you.
You have changed your path, Rudra.
I'm proud of you, Rudra. You fulfilled one of my dreams today.
Congratulations, bro. Congratulations.
What happened to Rudra? Wedding? It's not like him.
What difference does it make? Both of them are so happy. That's important.
Hey, stop it, Rish. You have hugged me 4 times.
Hey, so you've given such a big news. It's such a big news. Right?
Bouncer and a happy one.
Right.
Rishi. You wanted to talk to me about something.
Yes, Dad. Let's not talk today. It's a special moment for brother. You can have fun.
Okay, but don't leave without talking to me. Even I want to talk to you.
Okay, Dad. I'm sorry, baby. I couldn't speak to them. Brother gave his important news before me. I think I should wait a little. Baby, I'm so sorry.
My important discussion is yet pending.
Oh, of course, Dad. I'll change and come.
Now you can't do anything, Mrityunjay. Neither for Rishi, nor for Rudra. Now MJ's time is up. And Maya's time has begun. Whatever happened last night can't be repeated, Rudra. I can't have any other emotion towards you other than hatred. I'm going to put an end to Rishi's story today. Until then, I have to stay away from you. And then it will be your turn.
Rudra, go ahead. Go ahead. Maya. Maya, last
Sit
night.
down.
Maya, actually.
Coffee?
Maya, actually, last night.
Sugar? Sugar?
Maya, last
Nothing
night.
happened.
Maya, Maya, please don't be stupid, Maya. Maya!
It's good that you're here, Rishi. I got to see you for one last time.
No, Maya, please listen to me, Maya, please. Where are you right now? Please tell me. Are you crazy? Have you gone mad or what? What were you up to? Maya, you know it. That if something happens to you, then what I'm gonna do? You're the love of my life, baby. To heck with this whole world, I am there for you. Promise me that you'll never do something like this ever again. Promise me. Promise me. Promise me. Today, I'm ready to get married to you. And we'll elope and get married. Yes, come on, let's go.
No, Rishi. Those who believe in love don't hide themselves, but they show the world what they are.
How do I show it to the world, Maya? How do I show? I'm doing everything, but Dad will not agree.
I know that. That's why I was up to committing suicide. Because I don't want any problems to be there in your life.
No, baby, no. It is Dad's life which should have problems in the first place. He's the one stopping me.
But how will you do it, Rishi? How? Your dad will be worried only if something happens to you, and nothing can happen to you. I'm afraid to even think about that. So I was going to give up my own life. Why would your dad have any problem? He has all his loved ones with him. And now he wants to take away even my Rishi from me. How does he know the pain of losing someone dear? Like you feared of losing me. That's why you came here. But he will not understand, Rishi. He won't understand.
Exactly this. What if we can force him to realize that?
But how? Is it by telling him that something has happened to you? Yes, you are right. If something happens to me, then Dad will be under pressure. Then he must accept our love. Because he can't bear to see me in any kind of trouble. He will do anything but won't let happen anything to me. Are you sure?
Come on, Maya. I'm Mrityunjay Roy's son. Being sure is my habit. I'll call my dad right now. What happened, Maya?
I don't know, Rishi. I mean to say, he's your dad. I mean, by listening to your voice on the phone, he will know that you are lying to him. I mean, we must convince him. So...
Yes, you're right. I have to do something else. I have to think of something more intense.
Your suicide drama?
Yes.
I'm a big fool. I just said like that, but I don't think that your dad will believe. I mean, we have to. We have to convince him. We have to do something. Something.
Real? We have to do something real.
Just make a small cut. The blood will flow. But nothing serious will happen. And we will send this video to your father. And then he'll be affected the way you want.
Right. Dad must agree to get us married. Otherwise he can see me dying. But Maya, I hope there won't be a problem, right? I mean, can't we use artificial blood?
Artificial will be artificial, isn't it? And this is our last chance. If we are caught lying doing this, but if you don't want to do this...
No, of course, baby. I can do anything for you. I love you. Maya, did you plan everything?
Baby, you know, this was for me. I wanted to record this video and send it to you.
You are totally mad. You need therapy, you know that, right? I'm sure this plan is going to work. One drop of my blood and it's going to be sufficient. And he will have to let go of his stubbornness.